obsession with getting more done in less time is the number one ambition we all share. How can we increase our output? How can we improve our time management? How can we strike a work-life balance? You've almost certainly asked yourself all these questions at some point. Naturally, we all browse the internet for solutions to our productivity problems, yet in the end, we waste more time than before. To assist you and reduce wasted research time, we've compiled a list of the most excellent productivity AI tools. You're in luck if you wanted to boost your productivity with artificial intelligence. Many AI-powered web and desktop apps are available to help you make the most of your day. This video will serve as your go-to resource for everything productivity related. Let's begin without further ado. Number 1. Murph AI. Murph AI is an easy-to-use text-to-speech software that allows users to create human-like voiceovers without needing complex recording equipment or paying a professional voice artist. You would be amazed to know that it supplies customers with natural-sounding synthetic voices in 20 languages and numerous accents. The voice generator eliminates the entire process of making voiceovers manually. Murph has more than 120 AI voices that can imitate the finer details in speech, like the sound and style of a human voice. Murph's synthetic voices may imitate a wide range of speaking styles and tones, from aspirational to conversational, authoritative to informal, happy to sad, and angry to joyous. Murph has high-quality AI voices for e-learning, advertising, podcasting, L&D, and audiobooks, among other things. It also serves as an all-in-one voice solution, allowing users to add photos, videos, and background music and sync the voiceover with the visuals and music to create perfectly synchronized voiceover movies or presentations. Do you know the speech platform also includes clever International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, pronunciations and voice modifications that allow users to modify pitch, pause, emphasis, and speed, and the ability to clone a voice and change or switch a male voice to a female voice? Number 2. Chatbot. A chatbot is an all-in-one software for creating and launching conversational chatbots without coding. It includes everything you'll need to manage and develop chatbots. The platform's no-code chatbot builder allows you to build your stories by dragging and dropping conversation blocks quickly. To create engaging chatbot experiences, you can select from various bot response formats and actions. Users can also test their story while building it within the Chatbot web app to ensure that chatbots work properly before connecting with users. Chatbot's chat widget is a notable feature that allows businesses to quickly launch AI chatbots on their websites and customize their look and feel to match the brand's style and design. Now, the most convenient part. If you're new to building chatbots, Chatbot software includes pre-built templates that users can reuse. Wait, there's more. Businesses can use chatbots out-of-the-box integrations to connect live chat, Facebook Messenger, or Slack and provide consistent customer support across all channels. Number 3. Jasper. The excellent news is that blogging and writing can be done quickly and efficiently using Jasper, so you don't have to waste time learning talents that you don't naturally excel at. Content creators can use Jasper to do what they do best. They can come up with ideas and be creative. Jasper is an AI-powered tool that allows professionals to automate their blog posts and articles. It can write material for you on a large scale, allowing you to focus on other elements of your business. The Jasper was formerly known as Conversation.ai. It includes a variety of built-in capabilities that can be used to generate various types of content pieces in a matter of minutes. It enables you to send commands to its AI writer to obtain higher quality and more accurate writing. One of the best features of this program is that it may assist you in creating blog posts, articles, social media posts, website content, LinkedIn posts, YouTube scripts, and even a creative story. Its features set it apart from other tools on the market. It has a grammar check that can't be beaten and is close to Grammarly. It schedules your work using a content calendar. Furthermore, they have recently released a Chrome plugin that is simple to connect with Google Docs and WordPress websites. No doubt, it is a standalone application. Therefore, you do not need other memberships or AI programs to create unique AI content. Number 4. Grammarly. Moving on, we have a very important tool that most people utilize. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing helper that helps users improve existing content by eliminating grammatical errors, avoid overused phrases, keeping your writing brief, and sounding more confident. The tool started as a simple way to check spelling and grammar, but it's grown into a brilliant, data-rich platform for improving communication. It now gives users feedback on things like clarity and tone. Furthermore, Grammarly suggests rewrites for complex sentences, which significantly speeds up self-editing, while users must still judge their accuracy. What's impressive is that Grammarly also provides a browser extension that checks grammar, spelling, plagiarism, and other factors in real time across various platforms, including Microsoft Word, WordPress, Facebook, and others. Number 5. HootSuite. HootSuite is an artificial intelligence-based program for managing all social media network channels, including Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. It is a social media management system or tool that allows users to access many streams at the same time and monitor what customers are saying. You can publish updates, read responses, schedule messages, examine statistics, and more on different platforms from a single dashboard with tabs that organize your social profiles. Users may use this to implement, administer, and analyze marketing campaigns across their social media profiles without logging into each one separately. Do you lack time to post throughout the day? Rather than doing it manually, plan the posts so they're automatically uploaded at a specific time. You know what? Businesses can receive a detailed insight into how well their social media strategy works with HootSuite's advanced analytics function. The application monitors clicks across all connected platforms and displays them in an easy-to-read set of charts. Number 6. Calendly. Calendly is the second productivity tool on our list. What could be more productive than creating a timetable and knowing exactly what to do and when? Calendly is here to help with all your scheduling concerns. Calendly strives to make meeting and video conference scheduling easier, especially if you have remote staff. Tell Calendly your availability preferences and it'll do the rest. You may share your Calendly link via email or include it in your website after you've built your calendar. Calendly simplifies meeting scheduling by eliminating the need for an endless email back and forth to locate a convenient time. Calendly is a must-have when it comes to good productivity tools. Do you wish to discover what its distinguishing features are? It can create secret event types, arrange delay time between meetings, and avoid last-minute meetings. It can integrate with Google Calendar, Outlook, Office 365, and iCloud Calendar. Finally, it includes seamless time zone detection for your invitees, which is the finest feature. Number 7. Canva. Canva has changed how people design, and now the most popular online design platform has added a free AI image generator app to turn text into images and give your designs a more visual flair. Users can obtain AI-generated images in a matter of seconds with Canva's text-to-image tool by simply saying the right words, whether they are rational descriptions or fanciful ideas. The best part is that the AI generator quickly understands and displays your word prompts, ranging from never-before-seen internet photos to complicated graphics that do not even exist in your collection. Businesses may use Canva to make an image from the text that immediately illustrates your unique concept or idea and add it to any presentation or social media post. Canva can generate AI art in various forms, including pictures, paintings, 3D drawings, concept art, and patterns. So whether you want to use a 3D style to make a realistic visual for your futuristic invitation, or a painting style to make brushstrokes with different textures, Canva can do it all. Number 8. Timely. Next, we have Timely on our list. It's an automatic time tracking software that allows users to track how much time they spend on any web or desktop app. Forget timers, manual input, and note-taking. With Timely, you can acquire an accurate daily record of all your time spent in documents, meetings, emails, websites, and video chats with no effort. Timely allows you to easily log work hours, track project time, create weekly timesheets, and more. Do you know that the software's easy user interface and intelligent technologies have helped numerous businesses reduce timesheet administration by 75%? No wonder why teams also use Timely to manage their productivity, improve performance, and remain on top of their well-being and workload without compromising anyone's trust. Project managers, for example, can use Timely to visualize project budgets and activities and dive deep into details of tasks and performance. They can plan, communicate, and report successfully knowing exactly where their project time goes. Timely has an attractive feature in that it provides an open-source API, allowing businesses to easily connect data across their existing digital toolkit, whether Stack, Microsoft Outlook, or any other project management tool. The great part is that Timely provides customizable subscription plans that may be adjusted to meet the needs of organizations of all sizes. Number 9. Pymetrics. The use of this software is transforming hiring and talent management. Using gamified behavioral assessments, it evaluates talent and matches it to a suitable role. Rather than relying on outdated resumes or subjective questionnaires, Pymetrics gathers objective cognitive and behavioral data to determine an individual's true potential. Companies can use Pymetrics to build custom algorithms based on what they define as top talent. They can future-proof their hiring process and improve talent engagement, talent mobility, and retention, all with a single tool. A unique feature of Pymetrics is that the platform can evaluate job candidates for any role within a company and, ultimately, any position within the Pymetrics ecosystem. So the question is, what do its services include? Well, Pymetrics services include talent acquisition and management, as well as assessments such as core games, numerical and logical reasoning, and video interviews. Number 10. Beautiful.ai. Beautiful.ai is one of the best AI-powered tools to make your presentations attractive. This presentation design platform employs artificial intelligence to assist you in creating beautiful and professional presentations in minutes. It saves you time while also easing your business processes. Beautiful.ai has an easy-to-use interface and plenty of features to make presentation creation a breeze, such as automatic slide layouts, real-time collaboration, and a large library of templates and icons. This AI driver software enables teams to share presentation docs that are beautifully designed and easily identifiable due to company branding elements like colors, fonts, logos, and so on. All of this is made possible by the application's centralized library. Trust us when we say this. You won't have to worry about incorrect formatting with automatic slide adjustments. The best part is that administrators can lock logos and other design elements to prevent unauthorized changes. You can even manage role-based permissions and grant specific people editing rights and grant access to private content such as customer data. That brings us to the end of our list of some of the best productivity tools available. These tools will not magically add more hours to your day, but they will undoubtedly help you accomplish more in the time you have. The best AI tools can not only process massive amounts of data and provide incredibly detailed analytics, priceless insights, and actionable predictions, they can also put your data to the best use and detect patterns with even greater speed and accuracy. So making a suitable investment and using the right AI-based tool is essential. With so many different AI tools available, it isn't easy to decide which is ideal. This video will help you figure out which is best for you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to The Growth Mindset. Thank you for tuning in.